Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this JPEG and asked how you could draw that in Corel. This is probably one of the easiest things you could do. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 circles. We are going to make a circle. We're going to hit P. It doesn't really matter, but I get so used to putting stuff in the center of the page. And then we're going to control D and we're going to move that in. And then we're going to control D again. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Mine's going to be a little bit different than theirs. I don't know why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Maybe I added one. I don't know. But that's beside the point. These circles are all separated. So all we have to do is select them and hit B like in boy to put them in the bottom of the page. That's all there's to it. And then just fill them in. I actually find it's easier to, you could either click on this and then hit blue, but that makes it all blue. So if we click on the Smart Fill tool and we color all these in blue, they'll be individual. And then you can grab that outer one and we'll leave it blue. Then we'll have the inner one light blue. The next one green. The next one yellow. I'm just clicking on that and then right clicking my mouse on the color. Now I'm not trying to get their colors of the picture, but he can definitely change that. And we'll do one more. Maybe there's 2 more in there. Let's get a lighter blue. You could leave that. You could actually take that circle out of there. And so before we would smart fill that, so I'm going to nudge it out of the way. I'm going to find out what my 24 inches. I just need to do like 5 inches. I can nudge that out of the way and then get rid of that circle and smart fill that. Well, that way I didn't even have to nudge that other one out of the way. I could just deleted it. So that's how they did it. Now, I don't know if you need those same colors, but you could. They're not, they're quite a bit different. They're not RGB colors, but you can go to the color eyedropper and get that color and put it there. If you hit the shift key, it'll go back. No, it's a space bar. Space bar will go back to the eyedropper tool. We'll get that color and put it there. Now my circles are a little bit bigger, but you get the idea. That's pretty cool because you can do, you don't have to put them all to the left. I could have, or all to the bottom. Control D, move it in, Control D, Control D, Control D. You could put them on the top. By hitting T, you can put them to the right, R, well, you need to put them back to center, and then go R, put them to the right, put them to the left. I like that idea of now hitting T, and look at that. It's almost like a funnel, because I moved them to the top after I had them to the right. And that's a pretty cool effect there. If you smart fill these in, you'd get a completely different look. Take away the outline and then take individual colors and change them, and you get completely different looking circles. I'm trying to talk and do everything at once. I actually didn't move that one. And one more, and I think we're done. Completely different look, but anyway, that's how you could do that. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.